Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your laptop actually has Bluetooth and that Windows 10 is updated. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, power and charge the hands-free and put it in pairing mode, usually a press and hold on the power button. Now open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. You do this first to create the wireless link, without pairing mode and Bluetooth enabled. Windows cannot see the device. Next, you pair the devices so audio routes correctly. In Bluetooth and other devices, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, choose Bluetooth, and pick the hands-free name when it appears. If Windows asks for a PIN, enter 0000 or 1234 or confirm the number shown. Manufacturers vary. Once Windows reports connected, do not assume audio is set. Open the sound control panel to set the hands-free as default communication device and, if needed, default playback device. Finish by making the hands-free the default audio device so both mic and speakers route through it. Open Sound Settings, choose Device Properties to adjust microphone and speaker levels, then test with voice recorder or a quick call. This verifies both directions work. If audio is missing or low, update the Bluetooth driver in Device Manager, restart the Bluetooth support service, and remove then repair the device. One key tip: temporary interference or stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.